आज दिवाली का दिन है और पटाखे तो जलते रहेंगे पर स्वादिष्ट खाना होना जरूरी। और मेरे साथ along with excellent company, I'm going to have excellent food. So before I say I'm at a dinner date with a very fine woman, any guesses? She recently did a fantastic commercial movie and she's known for her fabulous acting skills. Any guesses? Any guesses, Aditi?
You tell me. Someone joining us?
Someone joining us? No, no one's joining us yet. I think two of us, I think we make up for everybody else.
Absolutely. So cheers to a girly day.
Absolutely. Cheers.
So are we ready to take your journey ahead from here?
Are we?
With fantastic food?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
Famished.
Yes, we are. वैसे दिवाली में अदिति क्या करती है घर में? बहुत सारे प्लान होते हैं, रिलेटिव्स को मिलती है, क्या करती है?
You know, अगर मैं घर पे होती हूँ तो यूजुअली घर पे टाइम कम मिलता है। नॉर्मली भाग दौड़ ज़्यादा होती है आजकल एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल फॉर द भाग दौड़, बट आई रियली मिस स्पेंडिंग टाइम एट होम विद माई नानी एंड मम एंड मासीज एंड कजिन्स एंड सो दैट मुझे वो करना पसंद आता है दिवाली पे कि घर पे रहो, दिए बनाओ। लाइक आई लव पेंटिंग दियाज, देन टू अरेंज देम। I have a sort of 10-year-old cousin. So he and I and some of our other cousins, we are all a little older than he is. So we all sort of get together and we make sure that he has a fun Diwali.
हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, आप भी काफी खिलाफ है crackers and you know all that.
I hate crackers.
You tell me.
थोड़े burst करने पड़ते हैं, थोड़े से, क्योंकि it's like a शगुन. हाँ. और like I said, my little brother is sort of he's a little boy and he has to at least burn one cracker बेचारा. तो उसके लिए हम थोड़ा सा कर लेते हैं, नहीं तो I can't stand it. And even when I was a kid, I hated crackers.
Like
just that dham ka आवाज was like torture for me. And you know, also I loved animals.
Correct.
So when I used to see animals hiding and dogs like you know shivering and हाँ, तो मेरे को उसकी वजह से भी बचपन से I've hated crackers.
You got an amazing response in boss.
For boss.
So
Pataka response it was.
Pataka, and you looked a pataka also.
I am glad I was supposed to look like one.
है ना? You've done that pataka bit now. But I mean, like we were discussing, you don't like being used as a prop with no demeaning factor here. But I mean, you know what I'm trying to say.
You know, well, it is very different to work in a masala movie क्योंकि actually लड़कियों को ज़्यादा कुछ करने को होता नहीं है.
सुंदर लगना पड़ता है.
हाँ, सुंदर लगना पड़ता है. But वो I think कि वो एक different type का skill है to I think to maximize on the glamour and the typical feminine beauty.
Correct.
And for people to notice you just for that and just to be that regular, cute, bubbly, whatever, innocent, whatever girl.
Right.
And just for people to fall in love with you only for that. I think that is also a kind of challenge.
It is.
And that also has its place in the movie industry. तो मैं कभी किसी भी टाइप की फिल्म को डिमीन नहीं करती.
Besides that, अगर आप एक कमर्शियल मूवी, कमर्शियल स्पेस में आप चली जाती हैं, उसके बाद रास्ते आप जब निकलते हैं, आपको एक अलग तरह का रिस्पॉन्स मिलता है कि चलो इस फिल्म के हीरोइन से हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे. तो वो भी एक अलग मजा होता है और आपको एंडोर्समेंट्स भी ज्यादा मिलते हैं. Am I correct me if I'm wrong?
Absolutely right, क्योंकि जो मसाला मूवीज होती हैं, they reach out to a larger audience. तो आपके छोटे टाउन या तो छोटा टाउन हो, even in the villages, in the centers outside the city.
Yeah.
ये सारे जगहों पे a lot of people go and watch a masala movie.
Correct.
Because they have a hard, जो भी उनका दिन, you know, they are working all the time. They want to just have light hearted, उनको मजा करना है और उनको एक light hearted picture देखनी है.
तो हमारा I think starters आ गया है, खाना आ गया है ना, भूख लग रही है, हम लोग बातें कर रहे हैं. तो we'll continue with the talking. I think they've got us food for us, so please go ahead and serve. How good at you are?
Good to only somebody else can say. But I make a Hyderabadi biryani and people tend to like it. Then I can make khawswe, which is again a fun Burmese dish. You know what khawswe is, right?
Yeah.
So, and usually I end up making things that serve like a large group of people. So it's like one thing for many people. I also make, like on Sundays, I'll invite some of my friends and I'll make dosas for them. That's another thing I like to do.
You do?
Yeah, when I have the time. The thing is now I have a long list of people who are complaining, saying that I haven't been in town and I haven't cooked anything for them for a really long time. So basically I'm in for trouble.
So now you have to start making a little bit
one by one.
Your little
I've
house
been
party.
given so much emotional grief, I can't tell you.
है ना? The torture. You've forgotten us. and all.
Yeah. How many days you haven't eaten dosa? So.
But also, you know, I mean, since you're a foodie, do you think a man who can cook will always be like at a good position to woo you? Who cooks well and, you know,
I think it would take a lot more to woo me than some good food. But yeah, I think I like people who make an effort. So somebody who goes out there and cooks and helps, and if people can do things together, I think that's always more attractive. And I think all of us have grown up with that.
Correct.
Where even all the boys that I've grown up with, who are friends of mine, we all help in the kitchen. If there's a party, we all go in, we all sort of whatever, and we all do stuff together, which is, I think that's the way to be.
Correct.
I think it shouldn't be that one person is going and doing all the work. So even if some guy is cooking for me, I would always go and help. Unless I'm in the mood to be spoiled, which is also a good thing.
Which is also a good thing. But then you believe in equality. दोनों को, you know, बराबर का हिस्सा होना चाहिए cooking में, clean the dishes and all that.
I would rather do none of it, honestly.
Yeah.
But yeah, on a good day, because it's fun, that's how you spend time together, right?
Correct.
Yeah, so I think it's great to cook up a meal together. I think it's one of the best things to do.
Absolutely. Are we going to have a bite of the salmon, which looks yum?
I think so.
अब ये बताइए कि इतनी कंट्रोवर्सी हो गई बिकिनी को लेके, everyone was like Aditi in a bikini.
Yeah.
Would you want to do that again?
A bikini?
Because I think everywhere before that bikini came out.
Yeah, there was a lot of talk about it, right?
Yeah.
But in a way, see, I always say that talk about something, when it's good talk, is good. If you ask me, will I do another bikini scene? I think too much of a good thing is not so good anymore.
Yeah.
Because it loses its charm. You can't keep wearing a bikini and prancing around.
Correct. अगर कमर्शियल करना है तो किस तरह का कमर्शियल? कमर्शियल में भी आप बहुत तरह की चीजें होगी. एक तरह की जहाँ पे there's a bikini donor which is commercial and again, you know, has its own content.
Yeah.
Then again, there's a boss. I don't know what category you'd like to put it in.
That's just light-hearted commercial.
Correct. So what is it that you want to do now?
Have fun. Ideally, if I had a choice, again, I don't have the kind of power in the industry that I can say, I want to do this and I want to work with you and you better make it happen. No, I don't have that. I'm kind of new. True. I'm finding my feet. I'm trying to create a body of work that is good in whatever way.
Correct.
And I want to work with good people. What I can do is work hard and hope and pray and like send out positive energy.
Absolutely. I think now we're going to continue this chat over our main course, जो कि आ गया है. अब मेन कोर्स में क्या है ये देखते हैं. Well, bon appetit. Yum.
What do we start with?
I think both of us are going to start with
The butter chicken.
the butter chicken. Aditi, I think I am done. You are not going to put pounds because you don't seem to put pounds anyway. पर बहुत ही अच्छा, मुझे तो
Very
बहुत अच्छा
good.
लगा.
Superb खाना.
So on that note, चलिए हम मुंह मीठा करते हैं as we put it.
Yeah, Diwali पे that's very important, ना?
Absolutely.
कुछ मीठा हो जाए.
कुछ मीठा हो जाए. Thank you so much, Aditi. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया. I think you're an amazing person. All the very best. Happy Diwali. मुझे पता है दिवाली आप बहुत मज़े करने वाली है. तो ऑडियंस को बताइए कि आप क्या करने वाले हैं and also how should they celebrate Diwali?
I want to wish all of you a very happy Diwali. Have a fun Diwali. और मेरे हिसाब से spend time with all the people that you love क्योंकि वो time कभी वापस नहीं आता. So cherish that, मज़े करिए and don't burn too many crackers.
So on that note, a very very happy Diwali. Rudrani Chatraj with camera person Hari and Manjeet. So